office. Me.
You?
Pondera, you know Pondera?
Pondera.
Me, Indian administrator, me.
Yes.
Pondera company.
Pundira, me.
Before.
Working.
Where?
Murmanas. Murmanas.
Amurmang.
Murmanas, yes. Murmanas.
Luga. Sawa may
You are fit to what
Indian administrator, Indian worker.
you fit your work.
Office, office.
You
Yes, office.
intelligent
You engineer?
guy.
No, me welder.
That fit for you.
Your Indian
Too much problem,
your
too much
Indian
headache.
administrator,
Indian people too much asking. Oh, problem, this problem. Too much headache, yes, too much headache. After me leave job, after me come back. Me people went there. Then going,
You're very pressure your work as an admin.
Yes, very pressure, but salary small. No increase. I increase my salary. Otherwise, I quit job. Then I quit job after me coming back.
Only
No
speak,
problem.
only speak English, but
No English. 200 Indian people I manage. 200.